Hey guys, this is conventional addressable smoke detector collection, so let's get started. This here is a Apollo XP95 optical smoke detector. This is addressable. Apollo Series 65 optical smoke detector. Apollo Discovery smoke detector. It's optical. This is a ionization XP95 addressable smoke detector. I think it has the date on the older ones. 0798, so 1998. Apollo Series 65 heat detector. This is A1R. I have CR and BR. This is very yellowed. A very old conventional gent smoke detector. It's a optical. Addressable gent S-Quad. This does not work on addressable panels. Well, it is addressable. There's a gent panel called a gent Vigilon. When I put it on the Kentex Synchro, it went into fault. Conventional Hotchkiss smoke detector, SOC E3, 2019. Cooper smoke detector, conventional, I think. Yes, it is conventional. (22nd of the 1st, 2014). Nulex smoke detector, conventional. Menvia smoke detector, conventional. 15th of the 10th, 2010. The older Apollo Series 65 optical smoke detector. I also got a Chubb Series 65 optical smoke detector. Fire Class Tycho smoke detector. Addressable. Channel Fike Twin Flex smoke detector with built-in sounder. It does not work on addressable panels, same as the gent S-Quad. It only works on Fike panels. A Vision smoke detector, conventional. Very rare Explorer smoke detector, optical. And a heat detector. A normal Fike Twin Flex smoke detector with built-in sounder. A fire safe smoke detector. This is a heat detector, fire safe heat detector. Bye guys!